Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact platform and version so you target the right spawn rules. Once done, open the in-game map and mark candidate zones. You should equip a scanner or tracking tool and enable high-contrast map overlays. This speeds detection. Start a fresh session near a known cluster, then ping the area with short sweeps, logging timestamps and environmental cues. Make sure to sync your device clock, so encounter windows align accurately with server-side timing. You now perform focus sweeps. Circle hotspots in 30 to 60-second passes and vary speed to provoke a spawn reaction. While sweeping, note ambient triggers like altered lighting, unique ambient sounds, or NPC clustering because these often precede sightings. Use signature movement filters, rapid hops, low glides, or orbital arcs to weed out false positives. Once a pattern matches, converge slowly. Make sure to alternate approach angles because some spawns react only to line-of-sight changes or proximity vectors. You close by executing the capture sequence. Approach slowly and keep stealth or distance mechanics active so the target does not despawn. Once in range, trigger your capture or interaction tool deliberately. If the system supports bait, deploy it to extend the encounter window and improve success odds. If nothing appears, troubleshoot by resetting the instance. Log out, change zone, or wait 10 minutes, and then repeat the sweep. If problems persist, reload your device and verify timers. That usually clears sync issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.